Hi, Tytus and LiWen from DanceInsanity. Today, we're going to be showing you some jive.
And it's going to be a pretty basic routine because doing your basics is a really good way to build your speed. And you know that jive is a fast dance.
All right, let's get started.
Footwork.
We begin with the rock step and triple step. So it's going to be rock back on the left foot, replace to the right, and side left, close the right, side left. Now back on the right foot, replace the left foot, same thing, right, close the left foot, side on the right. Now we're going to do a spot turn. So cross the foot, swivel, replace back to the right, side left, close, side left, cross that right foot, swivel those toes, don't move the feet around. That's it, replace back to your left, and we have side, close, side onto the right foot. 4 sailor shuffles, so it's going to be behind, side right, side left. Behind right, side left, side right. 2 more of those. Behind, side, side, behind, side, side. Now it's all about swiveling. So you keep your toes where you are and you just swivel the toes. Boom. There we go. We do that again. We just do it again 4 more times, a little faster. 1, 2, bum, bum. And now it's time to switch it up. Other side.
Okay. Now the other side. You're going to step back on the right, back to the left, and a triple step. Right, left, right. Then rock back on the left. Back to the right and triple step, left, right, left. Turn around, right foot cross, back to the left, and right, left, right, and spot turn left foot to the right, and it's a left, right, left. Sailor shuffle, back on the right, side left, side right, back, side, side, and again, back, side, side. One more, back, side, side. Nice. Then you swivel, go to your right, and then the left, and you go right, left, left. Yay! Yeah! And time. Me.
Mirror it. This is your right side, right here. So get comfortable with that mirror, all right? That means you're going back over on this side with your left foot. Okay, so the timing will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Other side. 1, 2, a little faster. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2.
All right, in case you want to learn some basic technical jive stuff, go ahead and get the best jive lesson ever right there. And maybe you want to check out some of our creative stuff in Instagram, which is down over here, of course. And please subscribe right there. You want to dance with us in person, don't you? Yes, you do. So, right here, you can join us on Zoom classes. We look forward to seeing you there.
LiWen, Tytus, and we'll see you in the next video. Adios!
Bye!